Hi everybody, welcome. So glad you could join me today. I've got my sleepy sidekicks with me. Say hey Wyatt. Zizi, can you say hi? She's like, what, right? So super excited to see what is inside this bag. So I don't know if you guys watched my Urbane Box video last month, but I tried it for the very first time. It's usually $60 a month. They send you 2 or 3 items, and whatever you get, it's yours to keep. And they send them to you based on your style profile, and hopefully you like them. So last month I got a pair of pants and a dress. The pants were too small, the dress was too big, so I actually sent them both back. And I haven't received anything. So I get this in the mail, and it's a month later. So I don't know if this is my next Urbane box, which is not in a box, or if this is a replacement for those items. So let's find out. I'm super curious to see what's inside this box. So let's check it out, right? It's definitely not the replacement items. And what will happen if so they won't take items back for different items, meaning like if I were to say I didn't like the top or the dress and the pants, I can't say I want different items, they won't do that. But if they don't fit me, I can ask for exchanges, and if those sizes aren't available, then they can substitute them for something else, which is hence my confusion. So, but when I went out to look at my status of my orders, it makes it appear like this is my September box, and I'm not sure what's happened to August. So I guess someday I'll figure it out. I'll have to send them an email maybe and ask. So first up is something blue. It looks like a top. Okay, so it's like a long sleeve t-shirt with the little cutouts on the shoulder. Wyatt's interested in it. And they do send you a return envelope in case you do need to exchange for size. And the second thing is very soft, and it looks like a hoodie of some sort. Okay, so I got 2 casual tops. Let's check it out and see what these look like. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's this first blue top, and I just stuck it on with a pair of skinny jeans and my Chucks. It's got some definite room here at the bottom, so it's like an A-line top here, look at that. And I don't know, it's kind of stiff at the top, so I'm not really loving it. It's longer in the back. It's not terrible. I think the color's pretty. Okay, let's try the other one. Okay, and here's the second top, which is very soft. And I think it fits probably the way it's supposed to. And I just put it on with these black little wedge sneakers, which I really like. And this would probably be something I would wear to one of my son's hockey games. It's fine. I like it. I'm thinking I would probably wear it more like under something like this, maybe. Does that look any better? Okay, I will be right back with a quick wrap up. Okay guys, well, right? This one I could probably do something with. This one, I'm not really sure if I would wear it or not. Maybe as a layering piece. I could always put like a vest like that over top of it too. I don't think Wyatt's overly impressed. I have to figure out what in the world happened to my other box. to see if I'm getting those other 2 items back, which I should be. And then I'm thinking I might just stop my Urbane box. I gave it a try, right? But if you guys see something I don't, please let me know. I love, love, love your comments. I do love this color. Maybe I could wear it underneath a jean jacket or something. It's a pretty color. Because these are mine to keep. But I think I might be done with Urbane box for this one. But please give me your comments below. I still hope you like this video. I would love it if you'd give me a like and hit that subscribe button. More videos to come, so if you like that, please stay tuned. I think I'm going to go straight into a clothing haul next. So if you see me in the same outfit in the next video, don't be surprised. Have a great day, everybody. For me and Wyatt, who's still hanging around, we're so glad you joined us. And Wyatt just wants to take a nap. Have a great day. Bye, everybody.